Are you currently having problems with Facebook Live comments not showing and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same issue before, and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it. So what I did firstly was that I went into my Facebook app, and as you can see, I'm currently on my Facebook app right here. Then what I did on this page is that I firstly clicked on menu in the bottom right corner. And by the way, if you're using an Android, it's going to be in the top right corner instead, but just click on it. Then I scrolled down in here and I clicked on help and support. Then I clicked on report a problem, and once again I clicked on report a problem. I clicked on include in here, as you can see, and then it took me to this page. Now what I did on this page, I scrolled down and I clicked on live, and then I wrote like this to the support to be able to actually fix this. I am having issues with my live live comments not showing. I need this to be fixed. So I am having issues with my live comments not showing. I need this to be fixed. And then click on send in the top right corner. Then I waited about 24 to 48 hours. I think I waited like 30 hours or something like this. And I tried once again, and then it worked for me. So I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.